Hey everyone, Mark here from Beautiful View. Do you ever have trouble in the wintertime due to heavy snow buildup on your roof? Or are you ever concerned about that snow causing ice dams and those large icicles that hang off the side of your gutters? Well, what you need is the snow cut and slide. The snow cut and slide is a tool that attaches to most common extension poles. You can roll this up your roof. At the same time, the side cutting bars will cut the snow into manageable pieces, and that will slide down the heavy-duty slide material. This is a great way of removing the bulk of the snow off your roof without having to get up on a ladder. The 2019 edition of the Snow Cut and Slide is even easier to assemble and to use. You'll just have the two arm and wheel cutting arms to put on with 4 nut and bolts. And the new Acme heavy-duty handle will accept any Acme thread which you find on most common extension poles. So after receiving your snow cut and slide, within minutes you'll be ready to do your first cleaning. Thanks for watching.